How to earn money by working remotely from data annotation. Let's go and see what this. You have to register on this data annotation website and then start this assessment. If you pass this assessment, you will get a lot of work remotely online. You can work from your home. So you have to pass this assessment. So collapse instructions, number of projects on our platform, spanning tasks of all types, including AI chatbot training, text classification, sentiment analysis, content moderation, image classification, all this. So what delicate of Arabic do you speak? So I am speak Egyptian Arabic. In addition to your delicate, are you comfortable reading and writing modern standard Arabic? Yes. How do you describe your gender identity? I am a man. It's like a survey. Please indicate your racial and ethnic background. I'm not white, but I'm Middle East. Okay. Middle East or maybe Uzbek or Latino. Okay. What is your level of English fluency? Fluent English speaker but not native, yes. And what is your level of Arabic fluency? Fluent native Arabic speaker. If you are fluent in any other language, please فيش عندي لغة تانية غير French. Where are your country located? Egypt. How many employees does Lika Corporation employ? You can use Google. ممكن نسأل جوجل. So by this you can get a chance, okay? All this will be, you have to do all this and it takes about 1 hour to finish it, okay? If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible.